Hi, welcome to One Shot Travel. My name is Jay and today we're checking in at the Yotel here in Midtown Manhattan. This property is located in 42nd Street and 10th Avenue and it's minutes away from Times Square, Hell's Kitchen, Hudson Yards, Javits Center, and it's 15 minutes from Macy's and Madison Square Garden. Some notable locations include London, Miami, Manchester, Deansgate, and here in New York City. And as usual, I'll give you my unbiased, unfiltered opinions about this property and show you my overall experience as well at this hotel. Let's check in. So this is my room, 2122. I booked a premier queen room here at the Yotel located at Midtown Manhattan. Upon entering the room, you are greeted with a queen-size bed and a 32-inch smart TV. On the right side of the bed here, you would have hangers where you can hang your clothes. You can put one small suitcase there, and they have two drawers here. This hotel room does not have a true closet. They provide you with a tray here as well, just in case you want to eat while in bed. And I guess you can put your phones here too if you need to. On the left side of the bed here, you would have your small working area. You would have two American outlets here and 4 USB outlets where you can charge your phone. Underneath the bed here, you would have a space to store your medium suitcase. This is on both sides of the bed. This is a built-in TV console where you can put your electronics over here and some smaller items on the bottom there as well. Upon checking in, the front desk kindly upgraded me to a premier queen room with a city view. We'll check that out shortly. Before we check out the bathroom area, I would like to say first that this is a very small hotel room. Also, there are no mini fridges available inside the hotel room. Maybe you can ask for one and they probably charge for it like $30 to $50 a day. This bathroom feels like an open concept layout. As you can see, you have the sink outside here. That is the safe. You have an iron and ironing board here, and you have a blow dryer here just in case you need it. The only private area here would be the toilet and the shower area. They provide you with the body soap there and shampoo and conditioner. I would say that this is a fairly small shower space also. This is me for reference. That is the whole hotel room. I wish I can show you more, but that is it. Like what I said a while ago, the hotel room itself is not that big. Now it's time to check the bed. As you can see here, the bed itself is slanted a little bit. Now, I'll show you how to make it into a real queen-size bed. This is the button to make the bed flat. There's only 2 buttons here, so it's very easy to operate. There we go, now we have a true queen-size bed. Not a lot of variety of pillows here. Both pillows are medium firm. They have 2 layers of protection here. They have the fitted sheet and the mattress protector. Also, after checking thoroughly, there are no black dots, there's no signs of BBs, so it's clean. This is good. It's one of those hotels again that put the duvet in between 2 sheets, so the sheet that touches your body is always clean. Now that we're sure that we're sleeping in a clean bed tonight, now it's time to test the bed. It is a medium soft mattress. Maybe this is on purpose because it's easier for the bed to recline when the bed is at rest. So far so good. Yes, the hotel room is a little bit smaller than usual, but you have a clean bed here, you have a smart TV on your left, and you do have a gym and a bar and a restaurant downstairs. Let's check that out right now. Very quickly, I just need to address the wear and tear situation of the room. In smaller spaces or rooms like this, in-house guests, they do tend to squeeze their suitcases and all the nooks and crannies of the space. That's why we're seeing a lot of scratches and dings here. However, as you can see here, these can be easily repaired and or replaced. Alright, walking down now, but before we do, let's see what we have for a view here at the window. Okay, we have the view of the Empire State Building and the New Yorker Hotel. We are now at the 4th floor of the building. This is where everything is. This is where the restaurant is, the bar, the gym, the espresso bar, and also the green room 42. You check in downstairs at the 1st floor and then you go up here at the 4th floor. We are now at the 1st floor. This is where the Yobot is located. It's the world's first robotic luggage concierge. It's perfect for a backdrop for a futuristic selfie, also a luggage storage obviously, and it also has 150 bins. On the other side of the room, you have the self-check-in counter or the automated check-in desk. If you need assistance though, there's always a person at the front desk in the corner. We are back now at the 4th floor. This is the first thing that you will see when you get out of the elevator. We are going to head to the gym actually. I just wanted to see how it is and what they have. This location is where the espresso bar and the green room 42 is located. In the morning, we'll go back here and grab some coffee. This is green room 42. I believe they have a theater inside. I'm not so sure, I didn't go in. So this is Yotel's 24/7 gym. They have water and towels there as you saw, free weights, you have treadmills and ellipticals, and they also have 2 Peloton bikes here. I went and checked out the social drink and food bar and restaurant. They said that this is one of New York City's largest hotel rooftops. It does look pretty big. You can rent this space for private events and whatnot. It did rain a while ago, so they covered the patio chairs here as well as the other furniture. Per square foot, maybe it's bigger than the 230 and 5th rooftop bar in Midtown. Doing a nightcap here, I enjoyed a glass of Cabernet before heading up to my room. I believe this was around $14 plus tip. The next day now, let's check out the breakfast area and see what they have. The first place I checked out was the espresso bar. They have more of a grab-and-go selection here. They do have quality coffee here and some assorted pastries and croissants. This is open from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily. On the other side of the 4th floor here, we have the Green Fig. You can take a screenshot of this so you can see the full menu. They have a breakfast buffet here for $22 per person. You can add on some things as well. Today they have pancakes, they also have scrambled eggs, sausage and potatoes, and of course bacon. This is open from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. The total room rate for this hotel room is $176.77. That's including taxes and fees and destination fee. The facility fee or destination fee is $45.33. That is daily. So regardless of which room you take, that will be the constant, $45.33. They authorized my card $170.86. This is $6 less because I actually paid in advance $6 just to have a flexible cancellation policy. So typically in a regular hotel, they would authorize your card an additional $50 or $100 per day just for incidentals. In this property, they did not do that. They only charged me, or they only authorized my card, the total room rate for this hotel room. You've seen the property and all of its amenities, so it's up to you to decide if this is a good place for you. This is the Yobot operating and getting the suitcase. It's pretty cool to watch in action. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Would you stay here? Comment down below if you are staying here in the near future, or which of these amenities you like the most. If you do like that video from the Yotel Times Square, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It does help us a lot. more than you know. If you have any questions about a property, please comment down below as well so we can answer them as soon as we can. Thank you again for watching. This is One Shot Travel and have a great day.